No one will ever blame you for making that investment in improving your health and wellness through fitness. You made the investment. You did all of the right things. Unfortunately, we were presented with a challenge. And now we have overcome that challenge. We are the Fly Guys. Let us assist you with getting back on track, bringing your machine back to life with full internet access to all and any site. And you can enjoy riding once again. Don't get rid of your bikes. They're still fabulous. They still run. They're still some of the greatest bikes ever designed. Now, we can get you access to all the resources available on the internet. Subscriptions you have to pay for, there are some free sites out there. But reach out to us because we can get you where you need to be. Once again.